Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I've been storm. X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if I look extra bright, it's because my ring light is on some other and it won't dim to anything but brightness. So hopefully you can see the colors. My voice is officially back, so I don't sound like Darth Maul's younger sister. Today's Friday. It is Face Chart Friday, which means I'm going to be recreating another face chart. Actually, I'm still stuck in between two choices. Did not do a poll on Instagram. I probably am going to do the one that's more natural looking because I've been doing bold looks all week, and so it's just like I feel like I should probably relax it a little bit, just a little bit. But then again, the other one isn't as crazy. No, I think I'll do the other one instead of the natural one. Look at me deciding on YouTube. So both of them were chosen by my student, my best friend Helen. I let her choose my face charts these days because she really likes it. She gets excited. So every Monday she chose two this Monday. But every Monday she picks one, and I go, okay, I'll do it. This time she chose two, and I was stuck between the two, and she just told me to do both. When I told her she had to pick one, she said do both. Told her I can't do both because then I can't do half and half, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to do the purpley one because she likes yellows and purples, and can't do yellow because there was no yellow one. So if you're new, my name is Nikki. Every Friday I do some type of face chart recreation. Well, these days I've been doing Halloween ones during the week, so. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. So for, sorry, dying. So for most of this look, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35P, which is their all purple palette, except for, except for like these shades right up in there. Actually, that has purple in it if you swatch it. For this look, I have purple on my hand now. And I'm going to go into the Funkhouser Rockstar palette towards the end. But for the first 3 or 4 steps, I'm going to be using this same palette. So I'm going to start by darkening everything. And I'm not going to use the black, I'm going to use this one. And then in my crease, this and this together. So as I said, for the next part, I'm going to take a little bit of the black, which is this one in here, and I'm going to put that just in the crease and my outer, so right about there. Again, using a brush I got from AliExpress from the brand Vander. And I'm pretty sure they have lots of different kinds of brushes, different colors, different sets. About their 24-piece set or their 36-piece set, can't remember. But I only have like 20 of the brushes left anyway. So, yeah. For this next part, I'm going to go first into this shade, which is like a shimmery, deep, dark purple. And then I'm going to move over to this purple, all while using this Morphe M156 brush. Then I'm going to take the other side of this brush and going into this purple shade, which is like a lavender lilac shimmery thing. And I'm going to drag that from here to about right about there. Just a little bit, just a smidge, not too much. So the eye is not done, but what I'm going to go do is do everything off camera. Foundation, concealer. I'm gonna come back with while baking, of course, but yeah. And we're gonna finish the eye and then the lip, and then we'll be done. So I'll be back. So I don't know why I didn't say it before I did it, but the palette that I used to do the like lighter purple is the Funkhouser Rockstar palette. Ooh, excuse the ratchetness of this palette, but I went into this shade, Rebel, and then I put this shade on top of Rebel, and then, which is, what is this? New York Doll, and then I put a little bit of Metal Mama on top of that. I think I might go back in and fix it a little bit. So I cleaned my face. If you're new, then you know, then you don't know that I always save this part for last. The next step is a little bit of highlighting. I'm going to be using the Goddess Liquid Frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics because that's what I like to do. And I'm going to put it here and here. And because I like to be extra, I'm going to take this Skin Frost in the shade King Tut and put that on my cheeks. And the reason why I don't show what this one looks like is because it broke it, and I don't want the pieces everywhere. If you're wondering why my hair looks crazy, it's because I just took it out of the bun it was in. I didn't brush it or anything. I just took it out of the bun and shook my head. So, yeah. Now I'm going to go and take my nose off. And this is the finished look. I like it, but I don't know how I feel about this lip yet. It's the Jeffree Star No Tea, No Shade liquid lip, and that's the closest thing I had to what's like in the picture. And I just put Fenty Gloss Balm on top of it because that's what I do. And I'm not feeling straight hair today. It just makes my head look really big, and I did not flat iron it. I literally just brushed it. So this little hump right here gonna be here for a while because that's where the bun was sitting. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you would like to see any face charts, want me to do one of your face charts, all that good stuff, you can find all of my information on my social media in the description box below. You can find me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Until next time, bye.